Hi, good morning. So we are creating various file systems for our PostgreSQL. So for that we need multiple file systems and multiple file systems, like we need for admin to keep our scripts, then we have to keep our walls, then data, and then archive logs. So for that we need a file system, right? So I have added a virtual hard disk to our virtual box, and for this OS host name, and and so we'll list out blk. So we have list out all the disks. So we have added this one for data, then we have this is for wall, archive, and this is for admin to keep our scripts and all into this folder. Okay, so after that we have to use pv create physical volume based on this. So like pv create and and slash dev slash sdd, like this, and enter. So successfully created. So we have pv display. So we have all this volumes. So here, this one. So it is a physical volume. Okay, so this is the one, and so this is how we have to. I have created multiple physical volumes. Now on the physical volume, we have to create the volume group. So for example, I have created one. So likewise, you can also create vg create, and then this is a 5 GB. So if you pick it up, then we will vg underscore pgs wall, pgs wall, vg create vg underscore pgs arc. So that is also this one. We'll add it. vg underscore pgs admin. So we have created a so we have created this list of. Okay. Now after that, we need to create the logical volume. lv create hyphen l 100% free hyphen n logical lv name ତତେ ଜଣା ନାଇଁ ପଡେଗो फिर निद भांगी भी जाए ना में okay this one then we'll create this one lv underscore then we'll create for pgs admin then this vg group mark 700 300
ଚିକେନ ଦାମ ବଢିଗଲା
280 थिला ଆଉ yes so lv display not sure whether it is there yes it is there this for data this for wall arc admin not this one is for admin and then we have for postgres yeah data so we have created it now it's turn off our then we have to initiate it as a what kind of file system. So make file system dot xfs. So we are saying that is this xfs type, and we need to add all these things like this all the time. Okay, this is for one, then we'll do it for admin, admin arc, wall. So we have created the file systems. Okay, now we have to make specific directory based on that. So for that we have to choose some file system naming. Okay, and which could be, let's say, one example. Okay, okay, so let's create mkdir slash app slash hyphen p slash app slash pgs or edb admin dir hyphen p slash app slash edb slash pgs underscore wall mkdir hyphen p slash app slash edb, anything you can also, pgs underscore arc mkdir, and the final one is our data directory slash app slash edb. If you are using edb, then definitely we will use edb, otherwise normal postgres will put a normal postgres underscore data. So 4 directories we have created. Now we have to mount, right? What is the next step is to mount those devs. Okay, so we'll do that. Mount slash dev this as a wall, right? Mount arc as arc, mount admin as admin, mount data as data. Now we can see, fantastic, we have 15 GB, admin 2 GB, this one, right? Okay. Now next is we have to then we have to get the block ID, right? So like you can say cat slash etc slash fs tab. So this UID is there, right? So we need to extract the UID. So BLK ID for each of them. Like what is this? For this one is this. Then BLK ID for ARC is this one. Then BLK ID for admin. Then BLK ID for data. So once we collect this, and so we have to arrange our file system like this format. So what we'll do, we'll open a this one, and we'll arrange this. So I'm arranging it. Okay, on I'm arranging it. So we'll just paste that one here. Okay, UID equal to 1 UID, 2 UID, 3 UUID, 4 UUID. Fine. So this one, okay. So what is the file system for wall? File system for wall is this one. XFS default 00. आयुष्मान कार्ड रो पैसा नहीं सारा जबरदस्ती की एडमिट है जो फिर अलगा कि छेले पैसा सरी गला बस हम्म admin, and then I think it is data. Ah, बाप रे. So now we will update it, our slash etc slash. Okay, so we have done that. Then I think to mount refresh system CTL it. Okay. Then system CTL DAE daemon reload. Okay, so we can see we have done that. Fantastic. So these are the file system we have created. Okay, so the logs and okay, thank you very much. So in the next, we will try to install PostgreSQL on this, either EDB PGS or Postgres, whatever. Thank you very much on the Postgres video 1.